Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we switched it up a little bit, or maybe even a lot, and we went purple. Yes, I know this isn't for everybody, but I challenge you to stick around and watch the transformation, even if it's just for entertainment purposes and just to see what it looked like from the beginning to the end. I went ahead and did a beautiful lace wig install straight out of the box, courtesy of Megalook. Now you guys know they have some fun colors, and they also have some stuff for those of us who like the regular. So you can go ahead and check out other videos I have with this company on my channel. I also have a direct link to this wig and some other fun links from them in the description box if you want to just check out their range and just some different options. So the one thing about this purple that makes it a little bit more safe or like user everyday girl friendly is it does come with a dark root. This helps you to be able to relax and just install and not feel like you have purple hair growing out of your scalp. I also did go in and like tint the lace. I tweezed the hairline. So again, this is a fun video and a tutorial just for informational purposes, just for fun, just to show off a little bit of versatility. It's fun to switch it up, and I thought this was a perfect opportunity to do so. So if you are interested in seeing the look, the style, the install, and having a little bit of fun with me, keep on watching.
This tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young, stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it. That I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silver. me when it comes to you. But I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do. 'Cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now. Never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening. No, you keep saying you changed, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past.
Okay, love bugs, we made it to the end and I'm loving the look. We went for buzz down, center part, you know, bone straight, and at the 11th hour I decided to add some little bump or curls at the end, and I love it. So hope you guys can see the hair is super long, and so I kind of just added a little bit of layer to give it a little bit more personality, knowing that I was going to do the bust down middle part. I didn't really want to do like half up, half down, because sometimes when you have color, like, you know, like non-natural color, and then it goes into a dark root, when you push it up into a ponytail, like all you see is that dark root right here, and sometimes it just isn't as flattering. But I'm going to try that maybe tomorrow and see how it looks. This one did come from Megalook, and what do you know? The bag almost matches the wig. Super cute. This is the bag that the wig came in, and of course it has their logo on it. Inside you will find a little goodie pack. This one is 22 inches in length, and of course this is the bag the wig itself is in. Then you have this little cosmetic pouch that has their name on it, and then inside you have, it's like stuffed with goodies. Stuff is a good thing in this case. So you have edge brush, lashes, a wig band, caps, and then like this rhinestone crystal style hairpin. Super cute. This will be fun for the fall. And just a hairpin like this, so you can just put it into your hair wherever you may. But yeah, no complaints about this one. Love the way it came out. Again, you can have so much fun, even though it feels like color is not versatile. To me it is, because I can go ahead and play it up and have fun with this. I could have left it bone straight for a minute, and then I could have done the layers like this. I can go ahead and do full-blown curls next. I can do the half up, half down. I can do, you know, a little bit of a side part action. I can add like 2 space buns, you know, just play up and do fun things. Even for like a straight back with like 1 braid going in the back would be super cute. So let me know what you guys think. I know this isn't your everyday look, but it's nice to have some fun and, you know, switch up your looks. So go ahead and leave me some suggestions for some videos you would like to see from me. I'm Ashley, if you're tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!